everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make some raspberry ice cream. This is super simple to do. You use whatever food processor or blender you have. This is just a small food processor that I have that I like to use for this kind of a purpose. I have one frozen banana here that I'm going to add to this. I've sliced it up, makes it easier to blend up. And I'm going to add 1 cup of raspberries. These are obviously frozen raspberries. You could use fresh or frozen, whatever you have that you prefer. Fresh would be fine, blend up a little easier. And then you want 1/3 to 1/2 cup of full fat coconut milk. Now you can see there's lumps in here. I keep coconut milk by the tablespoon in the freezer. If it's extra, I've opened a can, I didn't use it all, I'll just freeze it in ice cube trays by 1 tablespoon at a time. So this is about 1/3 of a cup of coconut milk that I have thawed out, and it doesn't have to be frozen or whatever. You can go up to 1/2 cup, however much you want. Now basically this is it. If you want to add a little sweetener, you could add a couple dates to this. You could add some fresh or frozen grapes, which I have done, and it works really well. Or you could add whatever kind of a sweetener you want. But the grapes work really well, especially red grapes, because they're very sweet. So now I'm just going to put the lid on this, and then I'm going to blend this up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Here's our finished raspberry ice cream. It blends up easy. It has a smooth, rich raspberry flavor to it. To me, it's fine just like it is. Like I said, you could add a little more coconut milk to it. You could add a little sweetener. I think it's good just like it is. You give it a try. The recipe is below. Now that makes 2 servings to me. You might be able to eat all that at one time. But what I'll do is divide that up and put the extra in a covered container and store it in the freezer. And then when I'm ready to have it, I'll just take it out and allow it to soften up a little bit. I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.